The obligation to pay e-toll remains till midnight on 11th April 2024. Road users will no longer be required to do anything when e-toll is cancelled.
Sasa kususwa ihlelo lama e-tolls angeza sabuya kutsho ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha uSindisiwe Chikunga.
The offences are the same like the ones that we indicated when the members were charged, behaving in a manner that is not consistent with the character and the nature of the ANC.
I-ANC eMpumalanga ijamise umphathi mali wayo uMandla Msibi iminyaka emithathu ngongaziphathi kuhle.
Ribeiro easily finishes. Mamelodi Sundowns break the deadlock. Siqalela imidlalo ye-Nedbank Cup kiyona yevekeli. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 zesiNdebele. Lotshani. Uhulumende uqinisekisile bona liyaphela ihlelo lama e-toll phakathi kobusuku bakusasa. Isiqondwesi size ngemva kwesivumelwano phakathi kweSANRAL, uhulumende weGauteng kunye nabaqale isikhwama semali zelizwe.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha uSindisiwe Chikunga uthi lizokuvalelwa safuthi ihlelo lama e-toll esifundeni seGauteng ukusukela phakathi kobusuku bakusasa.
The obligation to pay e-toll remains till midnight on 11th April 2024. Road users will no longer be required to do anything when e-toll is cancelled. Importantly, current valid accounts can still be used for payment at toll plazas and other value-added services, including parking.
Uchikunga uthi iye laphela ihlelweli kodwa inkwelete ezenzeka nalisaragako azikazi ukufelela.
The gantry lights and cameras will remain, and they will remain on for road safety purposes, but also for crime fighting, as I've indicated.
Undonakulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lisufi uthi nithembisa abazenzako bazenza.
Where we are as Gauteng, we want to assure you, Minister, that we are not bad negotiators and we will keep part of our agreement as we signed it with you and the Minister.
Uhulumende weGauteng uthi sikhulu isikwelede ngalokhu kodwa uthi uza kusala naso.
Sibuze ngendaba le ku Facebook nakumbona ukhelandela mbukeli.
Awu siyabonga sesawukhululeka singabashayeli
abayiphelisile ayisakhe siphumule vele nangabe besho ukuthi bayiphelisile.
Singacela ukuthi phela ungqongqoshe akasala esebesithulela labo driver kade bekolota ama e-toll isikweleti.
Sibhadela njani kanti ihlelo leli lama e-toll livaliwe ukuthi belingekho emthethweni vele bekunganasidingo sakhe.
Nalabo bakolotako ababhadele bakhambisana ilevel 1 nalabo bebabhadela.
Kumele ukuthi babhadale labo abanesikweleti ukuze konke kuhambe ngendlela ngoba isikweleti asiboni.
Kodwa kilabo abasakolotako bayokubhadela ngane ngoba na imali le kade ibahlula ama e-toll asesekhona nje ke.
Lo muntu oyicabangile ufaka lama e-tolls ekuqaleni wayicabangeni ngoba lento ibivele phela umnotho waseNingizimu Afrika wazi ukushona phansi abantu abanamali ubuvele kukhuthuza nje.
Umbono ngewumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Umkhandlu wekuruleni bewubambe isikhumbuzo sokukhumbula unobhala zombelele walokya we-SACP owabulawa uChrizani. Solwak na mayor kulomasipalata. Ihlangano ihlanganisela i-ANC ifuna kubuyele imeyara ye-ANC.
This region produced more martyrs at the hour of liberation than any other region in this country. Followed of course by KZN, in particular the Durban-Maritzburg region. Therefore, the ANC here, when it's humbled by the masses, by not electing them to lead officially, they must be the opposition and tell the masses that you have humbled us.
Unobhala zombelele we-SACP uSoli Mapayila ulemkise ngomhlahlandlela ekufanele i-ANC ikhambe phezu kwawo emhlanganweni womkhandlu oyokukhetha eMera kusasa. Kanti nonobhala zombelele we-ANC uFikile Mbalula uthi ihlangano yakhe emhlanganweni wakusasa loyo ayikazi ukuvuma ukwakha ubudlelwano nehlangano ephikisana nemigomo yezomthethosisekelo wehlangano.
We are having a meeting tonight actually, so we will finalize our approach. What we had was a report on Monday and not yesterday, but that it may. The most important question from that report is to really say what needs to happen tomorrow. What are the options for the ANC?
Nakusenjalo, umngahani urimpohani usola uhulumende wenarha newesifunda ngokubhalela uralula intshijilo zelizwe.
Our roads are full of potholes and our city is very dirty. The majority of us cannot afford Eskom bills, and if you can't pay, they cut off your electricity.
UDr. Qhakaza usehelweni labonkhethani bakameyara. Kodwana i-EFF ayikaneliseki ngelunga likameyara wezemali khona kilo masipalata.
I-ANC eMpumalanga ijamise umphathi mmali wayo uMandla Msibi iminyaka emithathu ngokungaziphathi kuhle. Iminyaka emibili kileyo ilengisiwe nangabe akatholakala mlandu ngamacala abekwe wona njenganje. Umsibi kunye nabanye ababili asolwa nabo uSibusiso Bhuda Mdluli kunye noMandla Mhlanga bebasebandleni elikhalmako lehlangano le malungana nomnyanya wokugidinga iJanuary 8 statement obanjelwe uMbombela. Umdluli uqothi wehlanganweni kwathi uMhlanga wafunyanwa nganamlandu.
Ziyahagala intshijilo zikaMandla Msibi utuvala ngapha kuvuleka ngapha. Umsibi ujanisiwe ehlanganweni ANC ngemva kokufunyana umlandu ngokuphula imithetho yehlangano le. Umsibi bekasola ngokulinga ukucharaganisa umnyanya wehlangano le iJanuary 8 statement ekhabuvanjelwe uMbombela. Umsibi kunye nomunye asolwa naye uSibusiso Bhuda Mdluli bafunyane banecala lokungaziphathi kuhle.
The offenses are the same like the ones that we indicated when the members were charged, emanating from the issues of violation of the ANC Constitution in terms of Rule 25.17, number of clauses there, behaving in a manner that is not consistent with the character and the nature of the ANC.
Umsibi ubuyabe ngusomkhandlu umnyango wezombuso ohlanganyela nendaba zamasiko. I-ANC bengakabi ukuphakamisa bona kwenziwani ngesikhundla sikaMsibi njengelunga lomkhandlu wesifunda.
The officials will be meeting shortly after this meeting. That the verdict has been already, or the sanction has already been given, and we'll also look into that.
Ngemva kokuthi ANC imemezela imiphumela yenqondo zebandla lokukhalima nayikhuluma nababika indaba khonokho kubiza amapholisa bona azokugada isimeje ngaphandle kwama-ofisi wesifunda we-ANC.
Abafundi abaningi emazikweni aphakemeko womphakathi babhadelelwa isikhwama sokusekela abafundi ngemali i-NSFAS. Ngokuya kaProfessor Bismarck Dyobeka, umphathi we-University South Africa Funding Strategy Group, lokhu kuba ingozi enkulu emazikweni aphakemeko lokho i-NSFAS nayibhalelwa ukuphumelelisa inthembiso zayo.
Amaziko wefundo ephakemeko eSouth Africa pha aqalene nabafundi ababhadelelwa i-NSFAS abasilingekileko. Abanye babo sola bakatholi ingcenye yemali zabo ekufanele bazifumane qobe nyanga ekuyimali yokuthenga ukudla, ukubhadela isikolo, indawo zokuhlala, kuye nencwadi, kanti lokho kubachiye baleni bararekile. Abafundi bazokalise intshijilo zabo njengabothoga igama abalandela kwaba basaba ukuthi baza kutheliswa.
Last week I got my 1,640 and then it disappeared to 150. And lana sinama issue la iRes asifani singabantu siqhamuke emakhaya angafani. So asinakho ukudla and kumanje nje sikhuluma nje nama breakfast awekho ukuthi simele sidle silele ngoba silambile.
Currently I am sharing food with my roommate. At least Yana, she's getting money from home. I can't request money from home because I was raised by my grandmother and she was raising 5 other siblings.
Ngomgwengweni womnyaka opheleleko inkampani ezine zemali ekuyikho Invest iZaga, Inaroko Corporation kunye neTnet Technology zanikelwa amakontraka wemali ebalelwa ku 47 billion yamaranda yi-NSFAS ukuthi kube ngizo ezibhadela abafundi ababhadelwa yi-NSFAS. Kanti lokho kugcine ngokuthi abafundi abayi-80,000 bangafumana imali zabo. Iphenyo elenziwe yiVarkamans ekuyikampani yomthetho liveze ukuthi batsho umphathi we-NSFAS uAndile Nongoko uyathindeka ebukhohlakalini nekukhwabaniseni kwamathenda wakwa-NSFAS. Njenganje abachochozeli bafuna ukuthi ibhodi ye-NSFAS iphadlalajwe begodu noNgqongqotjhe uBlade Nzimande abeke phasi.
No, we're going to embark on a national shutdown because there's no Minister of Higher Education in South Africa. The Minister of Higher Education does not exist. That office is vacant. The Minister of Higher Education, who is Dr. Blade Nzimande, is currently implicated of corruption, the maladministration at NSFAS and the collapse of NSFAS.
IUSF ithi umnyango wezefundo ephakameko kunye noNgqongqotjhe babhalile ukwamukela inyeleliso zokuthi abafundi ababhadelwe ngendlela ebebabhadela ngayo ekuthomeni. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi iuniversity ethileko yabhadela umfundi i14 million yamaranda ikibe kufanele abhadele i1400 rands.
Concerns were raised from the side of the minister and the DHET and an NSFAS itself to say that when the universities were given the opportunity some years ago to do this, a lot of things happened.
Ama-university asuke avunyelwa godi ukubhadela abafundi phakathi komhlolanja noNtaka, kanti batsho abafundi abaningi bazifumene imali zabo. Estatimendeni esikhutshwe yi-NSFAS sithi yona ithembele ehelweni eliqinisekisa ukuzihloliswa kwabafundi elivele ema-university ukubhadela abafundi begodu batsho nakubhadelwa imali zenyanga le ama-university amane kubalwa hlangana i-TUT, VETS, DUT kunye ne-UNIVET bewangakalethi ihelo labafundi elifuneka kwelo.
Ezinye izakhamuzi zeThekwini zisamukele isahlulelo sekhotho yezamakhetho esivumela umengameli walokho uJacob Zuma bona ragele phambili nokuba sehelweni lehlangano ye-MK Party njengoba nakuchitela ikhetho. UZuma usekela i-MK Party begodwa udosa phambili ehelweni labonkethani behlangano lebeparlamente.
Beyitshayisana imibono malungana nesiqundo sekhotho yezamakhetho sokuthi uZuma aragele phambili nokuba sehelweni lehlangano le. Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi nokho amaphapha ehlile njengoba nazibeke wonke amathembazo kuZuma bona aletha amachuguluko. Abasekeli be-MK Party bathi babona isahlulelo esinjengesibakhozelela khudlwana njengoba nabazilungiselela amakhetho nje.
Abhekelele nabantu abasha nabahleli emakhaya behleli befundile benezitifiketi sebezokwazi ukuthi manje bathole imisebenzi.
Siyayi ukuthi September uZuma nomholi bakhe siyazi ukuthi hayi buzokwazi ukusimela thina njengendle emnyama.
Nalo ithemba ukuthi mase kubo yena usangaphinde liphathe kahle futhi izwe.
Njengoba mhlambe umsholozi sezongena ngimthanda engakenzi ngiyaqonda ukuthi uzokwenza.
Ngithi umsholozi angabuyela eParliament ngisiphezulu ngomsholozi because ngesikhathi kamsholozi akaze sihlupheka njengoba sihlupheka.
Njengoba nakusela amalanga ama-48 bona kuvotwe, i-MK Party KwaZulu Natal ithi ihlosa ukurorobha khudlwana ejimeni lokudosa abavoti.
Nasibuye Ndolo.
Enye yamamakhethi wabo yithi through i-feeding scheme kanye futhi nokuthi sikhone ukunika iziguli zethu ezibhedlela singasayothenga impuphu kwezinye izindawo.
Isililo sabalimi abasathuthukako we-SABC sizwakele. Impuphu sezokutholakala ngobuduze. Sisesigabeni sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele. Gazi indaba lezi ziyafumaneka ku-YouTube, ku-Facebook naku-SABC+. Abalimi abasathuthukako eMpumalanga banikelwe iproject yokugaya ikoroyi kunye nezinye izitshalo ezizinthorwana i-Grain Milling Project eSABC ngaphasi kukamasipalata weThemsilani. Ihlelweli liza nje kungombana isiqhema sabalimi sifake isibawo emnyangweni wezokulima bona ubasize.
Ngemva kokuhlaga iminyaka engaphezulu kwama-30 yonke inyanga nesiqundu ngaphambi kwamakhetho, isililo sabalimi abasathuthukako sigcine sizwakele.
Lo mshini lona ke esibonayo lemboni ekhona lana namhlanje umshini ke esithengile automated ukwenza ukuthi bakhona ukukhiqiza impuphu istampu bakhona ukukhiqiza kanye nempuphu yokwenzela abantwana abancane abasanda ukuzalwa ukudla amabele ukuthi bakhone badle so ziningi izinto ziyena ama product angango 5 abakhona ukuthi bawakhiqize lana kulemboni le
okwanje kufakwa imali engange 18 million yamarandi ehlelweni eli kanti kunenarha emahekera ezinkulungwane ezisithandathu ebekelo ihlelo elimi abalimi bathemba bona iproject le izokuvula amathuba omsebenzi ihlumisa umnotho beyiqinisekise bona kuba nokudla okwaneleko
sizizwa sibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi sikwazile ukuphusha le project ize ifike la ikhona amanye ama project akafiki ahamba aphelele endleleni
kanje ngoba namakhetho asemnyango nje undunankulu uyiphayile ukuthi ihlelo lisetshenziswa ukuzibawela amavoti kanti ukukhandela ihlekelele lapha kusetshenziswa khona ingidigidi zamarandi ehlelweni lezokulima ngomgunyathi njenganyana kwenzeke eplasini leFriday Dairy undunankulu uthembise bona ihlelo lizokuvuleleka ukumuntu
enye yamamarket wabo yithi through i-feeding scheme kanye futhi nokuthi sikhone ukunika iziguli zethu ezibhedlela singasayothenga impuphu kwezinye izindawo but siba support sibaqhase
abalimi banethemba lokuba ihlelo lizokuraga kuhle
Izakhamuzi ezivumelekileko bayazibawa ukuthi zifake imbawo zendawo zokuhlala zesigaba sesibili eMarabastad Townlands ePitori. Imphathimandla zikahulumende zithi izindlu zesigaba sokuthoma njenganje sele zine 50% yabaqatshi. Ungqongqoshe wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu uMamuluko Khubaye uthi umsebenzi lo uhlose ukuphungula ukuhlogeka kwezindlu eTshwane.
Kulihlelo elingelikhulu ekhela bakhona ngehlangothini lokwakhela abantu izindlu. Indawo le izokuba likhaya labantu abahola kancane kanti iningi labo sele bahlala lapha. Uleboga Nhlabane oneminyaka ema-29 ubudala ungomunye wabazizileko.
This is my home, you know. So and a home for me it's very important. Unfortunately I do not have, when I say a home, I'm not saying that I don't have grannies or whatever, but I don't have my mom, my dad's house, unfortunately. So this is my home. So that's why I stand in gratitude of having this place and an opportunity.
Indawo le yavula ngokusemthethweni ngomnyaka ka2016 ukusiza labo abahola kancane ukuthi bahlale eduze nalapha abangathola khona imisebenzi. Njenganje ke sesivuliwe isigaba sesibili sokufaka imbawo zokuhlala lapha.
Our only problem is that most of the people that apply are indebted, and it is a very unfortunate situation for a lot of South Africans. But as the minister was saying, that we will look at how do we remedy that situation, because at the end of the day we still need to collect rent to keep this place as it is and not allow it to become a slum.
Ehlelweni leli kusebenzisene uMasipalata weTshwane, umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu kunye nephiko lezokuhlalisana kwabantu i-Social Housing Regulatory Authority.
Tenants are qualified based on household income, combined household income, and that combined household income is between 1,850 rand and 22,000 rand per month.
We look at your credit record. If you are a person, when you have debts, you pay, because we don't want tenants who come and then they don't pay.
Kanti abantu abavumeleke ukuthi bafake imbawo zokuhlala kufanele babe neminyaka engaphezulu kwe-18 ubudala, basebenze nofana bazisebenze. Kanti ke kufanele baqinisekise ukuthi badabuka lapha eSouth Africa. Nginguthabo Mthweni endabeni ze-SABC eMarabastad ePitori.
Kezemali iranda lehlile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Kanti kezemidlalo siqela zePaulson London Bank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns yokubambana ne-University of Pretoria emdlalweni wamakota final wePaulson ngelesihlanu ePitori. Eminye imidlalo ingomgqibelo nangosondo. Umbikoze leyo uyalandela nomabhandi emthombeni. Njenganje asigijimele ngekwekwezini sizwe ukuthi abazumi baphetheni namhlanje. Akwande Masango.
Thokoze Thandeka uza ngakithi nje hlangana nendaba esiziphetheko ngezithi izembe liyagawula ehlanganweni ebusawe ANC esifundeni seMpumalanga. Kanike Ikambiso yokubhadeliswa kwendlela esifundeni seGauteng namhlanje batsho iyaphela unomphela. Ihlangano yomkhonto wesizwe izokalisa ukuthokoza lapha esifundeni seKwaZulu-Natal ngendlela izinto ziyikhambela ngakho khulukhulu lapha ekhotho. Sokucozulula ke nomcozulu wepolitiki ukuthi nakho lokho kutsho kuthini. Saphetheke nebako-IEC ejimeni labo lokufundisa ngokuvota emavotini ezako la ngenyanga kaMrhayili. Ilezi esiziphetheko namhlanje Thandeka siyadondoloza ke sisangabuwe sibuyisele indaba ekhabo.
Awakuzwakele Masango Sithokoze. Mbukela abalingani bethu bamaswati bakhona kusasa. Jamo bezulu belandela nobusayi Mathebula. Ngisaye noMusa.
Leke ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu liyabonakala ukuthi selithombe ukuvula ke lezi ndawo ezimaphakathi nenaga bese ke ulithole lapha nge30% egwini elingeSewula ukuya ePumalanga nenaga yeSewula Africa zinkomba zomoya leza ke ozibonako kusasa ke lithe kubuyela khulu ngegwini bese ke lapha uza kubona ke ukuthi kunekungu abantu bazakutsheja bayelele khulu ekseni nabachayela kusitholeke lapha isilemukiso somoya onamandla ngapha ngegwini ukusuka lapha ke ePumalanga Kapa ukuchinga ngale ngaKwaZulu-Natal nakusasa ke kusesenjalo kodwa ke kusasa ubonakala ukhuphukele khulu esifundeni sangaleke ngaKwaZulu-Natal sikucalele ukuthi anjani amazinga wokuchisa bakuchisa kuyaphini kupholile esifundeni sangapha ngeGauteng iPitori nge25 ithunga kuyafuthumala kusasa ke siyaqala lapha ukuthi kunjani ke ngesifundeni sangaleke ngeLimpopo siyabona ukuthi kufuthumele endaweni eziningi iphulukwane epholileko lapha ePhalaburwa kungakuyachisa ke khona nge27 asikucalela ukuthi kunjani ngale ngesifundeni seMpumalanga khona amakhefezana wezulu kezinye indawo sikhukhuza siyachisa lapha eEmelo nokuhlela lapha eMkhondo ke khona ke kumakhaza ke sokucala ukuthi kunjani ngesifundeni sangaphanga kwaZulu-Natal siyabona ke ukuthi iRichards Bay nangalengo uLundi kuthe ukuphola eKokstad khona ke kuyabuza ukuthi unengubo engaki nangemva kwamadina nge14 degrees Celsius iPumalanga Kapa bonakala ke nayo ipholile bese ke kube makhaza endaweni ezinengana siyangaleke ngeJingalanga Kapa sabona ukuthi lithe pharaphara ngamafu likhamba liveza ihloko kezinye indawo ivulekile eCape Town iphole nge22 ngaleke ngithi lapha eNorthern Cape kubonakala ke kufuthumele kezinye indawo lapha eSutherland ngakumakhaza ke nangemva kwamadina nge16 seFreystata sibone ukuthi ngakhona kunjani na siyabona ke ukuthi lipholile endaweni ezinengi kuthi ke lapha ke eBothaville liphole nge22 asiye eNorthwest kokugcina sisicale isifunda ukuthi sona sinjani naso ke sithi ukuphola endaweni ezinengi kupholile eSouth Africa sibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako dido